Yay! Oh my God!
I hit my pee-pee. I'm Tyler, and this is an old people apartment.
People apartment.
And retarded.
Oh, that hurt. How did you get up? Oh, my fly's down.
I'm Ramsey Shaffer, and this is the
Weird thing happened. Who are you there with? Yeah, we'll be like, excuse
This is the pocket cam. It's in my pocket. That's what
Cam.
that's Cam. Okay, let's introduce everyone. Cameron, Tyler, Ramsey. Looks like the hot pockets aren't done.
The microwave top. New record.
Oh! Oh!
Look at my sweet shoes.
Look at my sweet shoes.
Very cooler. My laces are colorful.
Look, you want a microwave?
Microwave.
You want a microwave?
Sir, would you like a microwave? Microwave. You want a microwave?
It's cheap.
It's heavy duty.
You can try it out. It's pretty hardcore.
Okay. He was
Thank
nice.
you for the
He
information.
was nice.
He was nice. That's one of the nice people.
Let's go.
My girl is in orchestra.
Would you like to buy a microwave? It's heavy duty.
It's heavy duty.
Heavy duty.
We're dragging it around. It's still alive.
Yeah, we were even playing jump rope with it.
One of those button pusher openers, you know?
It's got bugs in it. Oh, I don't think it works anymore.
You want to buy a microwave? Why don't you go fuck yourself?
Yes.
Oh, we tried that. It really didn't work, dude. You want to buy the microwave?
It's free.
Free.
It's a dog.
Lovely weather, isn't it?
Excuse me, would you like to buy a microwave?
Are you sure? Okay, well, thank you for your time.
School's over, no it's done. Teachers who are teaching, names are forgotten. Sun burning on the wind, gonna be a blast. I just hope it doesn't go like you said. 98 on the spin. Here's the head up from the board. Here's her dead, Debbie makes it. There is no
We gotta get some sick music, people.
Is my face red yet?
Nope.
Mike, you want a microwave? Microwave. Do you want a microwave?
Sir, would you like a microwave?
Whoa.
What'd you do?
Whoa.
What did you do?
I like broke the soap thing.
Dude, this toilet paper has seashells on it. So fragrant when you go to my butthole. Ramsey?
Let's go, Cameron.
Wow.